Potatoes are the world's fourth largest food crop, after rice, wheat, and corn. And there are over 4,000 varieties worldwide. Potatoes are naturally fat-free and low in calories. Nutrition facts of potato. A medium-sized potato, about 150 grams, contains calories 110, carbohydrates 26 grams, fiber 2 grams, protein 3 grams, fat 0 grams. Potatoes for fitness. Potatoes are a great energy source for bodybuilding, providing complex carbs to fuel intense workouts and aid recovery. They also supply potassium for muscle function and small amounts of protein to support muscle repair and growth. Vitamins and minerals. Potatoes are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C boosts your immune system. Potassium, more than a banana. Great for your heart. Vitamin B6 helps your brain and metabolism. Iron and magnesium for healthy blood and bones. Potato skins hold most of the fiber and nutrients, so keep them on for a more nutritious and satisfying meal. Antioxidants and health benefits. Potatoes are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids, which help protect your body, while their fiber supports digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Thanks for watching. For more video, please subscribe my channel.